Alright, we're gonna get these guys mounted today. Hey guys, how's it going? So I got the tires, the Falken RT660 tires mounted on the M7s today. I went with 215 45 16 for the fronts. Fronts are 16 by 8s. And for the rears, I went with 255 40 17. Rears are 17 by 9. And so today, we're gonna mount the center caps on. And we're actually gonna do something that was pretty funny and a little bit, I don't know if it's controversial is the right word, but maybe controversial. We're gonna denib these tires. And so for those of you that don't know what that means, we'll go over that in just a second. Hey George, what do you think about these tires? Huh? So I need to explain what it is that I'm doing in this next clip. When I did the same thing to my tires on my TE37s, I posted it to my story on Instagram and people were just completely confused, didn't know what they were looking at, wondered if there was some kind of benefit. And essentially what we're doing here is just using flush cut pliers and removing all of the nibs that are on the side walls of the tires. Those are those little hairy, rubber pieces that stick out that look like little hairs. And it's completely cosmetic. There's no performance benefit, there's no aero benefit, weight savings. It's all just for looks. Essentially it came from my buddy who works for Nitto Tire. And anytime that they have a display tire at a car show, they have to remove these because it just makes a cleaner look. It's completely unnecessary, but if you got time, if you are a little bit OCD about how it looks, then why not? All right, and we're just about done with one tire. So you can see that the basically just try to clean up the nibs on all the surface that you can see. So that looks a lot less hairy. Here's a tire that I did not do yet. See on this edge. Obviously the ones on the edge, those will wear off if you take a corner. But it's the ones on this surface right here on the sidewall that won't necessarily fall off. I don't know how long it takes for it to fall off, but if it ever does. Alright guys, let's install these center caps. So they come with 3 Allen head bolts and Allen wrench. So the center cap is machined and with threads in it, so it should be pretty straightforward. Throw this in, line up the holes. Easier said than done. All right, give each one a little bit of a tighten. Let's take a look at the other side. Looks awesome. with these wheels.